Hey beauties, it's Riri and today is my birthday, so we're going to have a little birthday celebration. We're going to do a little giveaway and things like that. Stay tuned for the end, and of course, all rules, everything is going to be in the description box. First and foremost, does anybody else have a birthday today? I need to find a birthday twin. Happy birthday if it is your birthday. Also, do you have an upcoming birthday? Did your birthday just recently pass? I'd like to know, and if so, happy freaking birthday. I quickly, before we get into the little rundown of the giveaway, I do want to showcase, it's just going to be the eye look, like no mascara, no bells and whistles. My birthday party is this weekend, and I have the theme of like black and gold, and I cannot decide, so you guys are going to decide for me, so I need y'all to come through in the comments, please. I cannot decide if I want to do a black smoky eye with like gold liner and then just like a little tiny kiss of gold sparkle, or do I want to do a flat out gold all over the lid, and then a bold ass black wing liner. I can't decide, so I'm gonna do both. And then you guys can kind of let me know what you prefer. Obviously, this one's gonna be way easier to literally smack on a shimmer and do a quick liner. So I'll do that eye first, I think. And I brought out two Pat McGrath Labs palettes. I have this one right here. And I'm just going to go in and grab the gold. I have not even used this palette yet, but I'm going to go right here first, literally just with my finger, as I always do. For today, I don't have any primer or anything like that on. I'm just going to go in. But on the day of, I most likely will use a little bit of my glitter primer just because I always do. And just so that, you know, there's a little bit of longevity with it. Oh, that's so pretty. I feel like this is a little bit more orangey gold. So I may hunt a different shade of gold down on that day. Not that it's not beautiful, because it is incredibly beautiful. But I'm going to sweep that just with my finger all the way across. And then take my finger and just kind of pat through here, just to kind of soften the edge just a little bit. Pretty, and you are seeing it in real time. I think I might go into this other kind of more champagne-y goldy shade and kind of top that, and that seems to have a little bit more sparkle in it. And then I also pulled out the holiday palette from year before last, I think. This one right here, and I'm also going to dip into the gold in here because this has got more like yellowiness, and I kind of think that's where I more so want to go. And this also has like a little bit more kind of pieciness to it. And maybe just pop that on the center. Ooh, okay. I have no idea what just happened down here. And then I'm going to take a little teeny tiny brush, and I think I'm going to go kind of in between those shades, the two lighter of the shades, and pop that on the inner corner. Flick it up just a little bit, and I'm taking kind of a less is more approach, because I want just a little bit more sparkle up here versus it being like super opaque like on the actual lid. Oh yeah, that is beautiful. I'm gonna run some kind of all the way up. Y'all saw how easy that was. Okay, so maybe I'm already giving my own answer to myself. We'll see. So I'm gonna stop there on this eye for now. On the other eye, again, I would prep and do all the things beforehand. I'm going to go in with my black for the black with the Nightshade palette. I'm going to go right here into the black. But I want to know, like, if you do generally like celebrate, we always just kind of do like a little something at our house. We're not like, you know, we don't really go out or anything like that. But what do you normally do to celebrate your birthday? Are you a big birthday person? Are you more like low key? Are you more like, I do not celebrate my birthday at all. Do not bring me anything. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200. I want to know. We like to just chill at home. We are not like, you know, going out people, clubbing people, any of that kind of stuff. Like, been there, done that. I'm too damn old. I'm too damn tired. Okay. But we do like to like have a little cookout or something like that, or I'll make a good meal. We have a amazing karaoke system that my husband's aunt and uncle got for us, and I just absolutely love it. So we do that. We'll like set up the cornhole and stuff like that, and honestly just enjoy each other's company. You know, we just kind of chill and BS, have a good time. And it's very low key, very fun. And we just kind of keep it like that, just low key, you know, maybe have a couple of beverages and stuff like that if we so choose to do so. And if you do, please drink responsibly. But, you know, make some good food, just make good memories, you know, laughs and stuff like that. And we just keep it pretty chill, pretty low key and stuff like that. That's kind of just how we prefer to do things, just in life in general for us. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We are cooking some chicken and hot dogs and stuff on the grill. It is supposed to be so beautiful in North Carolina this coming weekend, y'all. I think it's supposed to be like 80 degrees the day of the party. I cannot wait. I'm so excited about that because, look, as much as I generally loathe summertime, I don't know if it's because I've lost, you know, 50 pounds. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older. Maybe a little bit of both. But yeah, as much as I generally hate the summertime in terms of like being too hot and stuff like that, y'all, I am tired of being cold. I'm tired of my body hurting because I'm cold. So yeah, I'm excited to have a couple of really nice days. I'm stopping here. I'm literally taking that same brush that kind of had that little bit of gold on it. I'm gonna tap it off, but it'll still have a tiny bit of like sparkle in it. And I'm gonna kiss the edges of this. Not necessarily aiming for it to be like super blown out, but just not quite so harsh up here. And then because it had that little bit of sparkle on it, it's gonna put just a little bit of sparkle onto my lid. And that's exactly what I'm hoping for. Of course, you'll see both of these up close. Like I want it smoky, but not like crazy harsh or anything like that. And honestly, thinking about both of them, this didn't take much longer at all. And I think both are just as impactful. Now I'm going to go into, I hope this is going to work because this leans a little orangey-ish too. Oh, I don't know, y'all. I really wanted to go into this shade, but like pick it up lightly because I think it would put just like a little fleck of like orangey gold on the lid. Hopefully I don't mess it up. Okay, yeah, definitely too orange. Can we pass for gold? Because that's so pretty. You guys can let me know when you see it up close. I may go in with that toppery shade that I used over here and just tap it. Like, again, I don't want any opacity at all with like the shimmer. I want it to be dark black, smoky with like just a little sparkle. You're seeing a little something, something. That's what I'm going for. But yeah, we're going to do that. Make some food and stuff like that. Keep it pretty low key. It's supposed to be amazingly beautiful outside, like nice and warm and sunny and stuff like that. And, you know, we obviously moved in just a few months ago, so, you know, it was already cold and like wintertime and all that kind of stuff. So we really have not been able to like enjoy our patio and stuff like that. And we have like a cute little patio set and stuff out there we got when we moved in. So I'm excited as heck, y'all. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Make a good little meal and stuff like that. Make some baked beans and mac and cheese and some sausage dip. Probably get something a little sweet. I don't know. We'll figure all the rest of it out in the next couple of days. That's it as far as like the kind of base or the start. On this eye, I have no idea what this is called from ColourPop, y'all. It's just a yellow, goldy, but like shimmery liner. I love it. So on the darker, smoky eye, I'm going in with this for the line, for the waterline. Ooh, pretty, pretty. And then over here, I would probably do white liner. I think I'm going to do white liner if I choose to do this. And then I'm going to do a big wing. This is the Danessa Myricks Beauty, the line work. It's my favorite of all time, liquid liner. The Better Than Sex, I think it is called Better Than Sex liner. I love that one as well. This one works really, really nicely because it's super, super fine. It's a nice, you know, like brush tip applicator. It's very black. It sets down. It goes over glitter and stuff like that. I really, really like this. I'm going to be quiet and do this and get real close to my mirror. Be right back. Alright, you will definitely see both up close and some flash and stuff like that. And I would like to know, do you prefer this side or this side? Again, the theme is black or black and gold. And most likely I'll do like a really pretty gold highlighter and stuff like that, and most likely just like a clear gloss or a gold sparkly gloss, just because I'm going to be eating and drinking and stuff like that, so I'm not too concerned about the lip. But I really love how this looks. Both were equally as easy. Of course, I'll have white liner on this side if I choose this side, and then we'll have mascara on. So honestly, both are pretty dang easy. I think both are really pretty and really impactful. I definitely need more of a gold. I like both. I think both are really pretty and really impactful and easy, which that's what I need, y'all. So comment down below. Let's vote. See which one you guys prefer. Let me know. Now, let's talk about some giveaway deets. All the giveaways are generally the exact same. You have to be 18 or older. You must be in the US. You must be publicly subscribed. I have to be able to, when I generate the winner, go right over to your page and be able to see myself and be able to see that you're publicly subscribed, and you have to share the video out. If your socials are private, I am not seeing that you're sharing that out, so please make sure that everything is public so that I can verify that you have shared the video out. But you're gonna win the quilted makeup bag. There's an iconic London brush set. There is an eyeshadow palette. This is the ColourPop The Mandalorian eyeshadow palette. There's a Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Believe. You have the Benefit Fan Fest mascara. There's an Ofra eyeliner in the shade Brown. We have the Tula, the Cult Classic Purifying Facial Cleanser. And then I added in a couple little Huda Beauty puffs. There's some stickers, and then I'm going to add a couple little just like sampler packets and stuff like that. I try my best to kind of help the person that does win kind of build a full face. So you've got your eyeshadow, your brushes to apply, your mascara and your liner. Your mascara and your liner. You've got a blush, and then you've got a little bit of skincare. So this is just honestly my way. I cannot take myself seriously. I look hilarious, by the way. Just my way of just saying thank you to you guys, celebrating with you guys, and just giving back to you guys. I really, really appreciate the love and the support. So yeah, all the rules and everything again are going to be in the description box. Please make sure you pay attention to the rules in the description box. If I do not pin your comment and reply to it, you have not won. So there's a lot of scam and spammy BS out there and stuff like that. I'm never going to comment and ask you for money. I'm never going to ask you for shipping. I'm never going to ask you to text me, to WhatsApp me, to Telegram me, none of that. I literally will pin the winner's comment, and if you do not get pinned, you did not win. Please, be vigilant, use common sense and stuff like that. Yeah, good luck to everybody. Let me know again which eye look I should do for the birthday party, and happy birthday if you are also celebrating a birthday in the month of March. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties!